Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. Oh. ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पतान शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यम्। भद्रकाल्यै नमो नमः। वेदान्त विद्यास्थानेभ्य एव च। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् भारत पङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे। धर्मशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यम् अर्थशास्त्रमिदं परम् मोक्षशास्त्रमिदं प्रोक्तम् व्यासेनामितबुद्धिना। भारतं सर्वशास्त्राणाम् उत्तमं भरतर्षभ सम्प्रत्याचक्ष्यते चेदम् तथा श्रोष्यन्ते चापहे। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Mahabharat session. We are in Adi Parva, doing the first chapter. With His grace, we have completed first 146 mantras. Now we are going to start our journey further. This first chapter has 272 verses, mantras. And from 147 verse onwards till about 213, 215 or 216, Dhritarashtra is speaking. So now we stopped at that please hear what I have to say, O Sanjay, Dhritarashtra is saying. And then after hearing my distress, probably you will not see the man what you are seeing me. So Dhritarashtra is justifying. So now from this verse which we are going to start, 147, we will hear this phrase, Yada Shrausham. You hear that? You see that the first word, Yada Shrausham. So this phrase is going to get repeated till 213 verse. Dhritarashtra is keeping on justifying. So we are on page number 11. Those who have M.N. Datta's book, page number 11, first chapter, 140. So that 147th, 148 verse. So over there we see Yadashrausham Dhanurayamya Chitram. So there onwards that Yadashrausham. So When I had heard, yada, when, ashrausham, heard. So when I had heard this, and then he explains. So now Dhritarashtra is recollecting all the events. So we should be aware where are we, what are we doing. So in Adi Parva, it's the beginning of the Mahabharata, and it's the first chapter. It's also called as Anukramanika, means it's giving us the entire gist of, it's giving us the whole picture of what these 100,000 verses are going to be like. And it is giving us a bird's eye view of what has happened in Mahabharata. So he's going to list all the events. So in this first chapter. And when we will reach towards the end, like this verse of this chapter has 272 mantras, as I said. So towards the end, the last set of mantras are going to be the Falashruti of this chapter. And this Falashruti is so high that it gives us the benefit of reading entire Mahabharata. Even if we do one verse, it washes off our sins. So it's like so much into this first chapter. So now we'll go straight into this from that. See, I'm seeing a print mistake. We stopped at 146, but the next verse print is shown as 148. Is it for everybody's book or only my book? I don't know. So, so we'll go by whatever the numbering is out over here, but we are starting from that verse, Yada Shravsham. When I heard like this.
Yes, 146 and then it goes to 148 only.
Yeah, so there's, I think, the print mistake in every book. So we'll just stick to that number itself, so it's easy for us to communicate. So we don't change any numbers. So from that number, we are starting now. And this Yada Ashravasham, so Dhritarashtra will give lots of justification. Just imagine 146 to 213 verses are how many mantras? And each time he's going to justify when he got defeated or what has happened and when he has lost hope of success and how helpless he was and he's not that bad father or a king or a person. And there's a lot of justification that's going to come from now onwards. Okay. So those who want to volunteer, please raise hands. Okay, Lalita ji, we'll start first with you. यदा श्रौषन् धनुरायम्य चित्रम्
यदा शोषन् धनुरायम्य चित्रम्
विद्धल्लक्ष्यं पतितं वै पृथिव्याम्
विद्धल्लक्ष्यं पतितं वै पृथिव्याम्
कृष्णाहृतां प्रेक्षतां सर्वराज्ञाम्
कृष्णाहृतां प्रेक्षतां सर्वराज्ञाम्
तदा नाशंससे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रोषन् धनुरायम्य चित्रम् विद्धल्लक्ष्यं पतितं वै पृथिव्याम् कृष्णाहृतां प्रेक्षतां सर्वराज्ञाम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
Did I say shamsase? Then it's wrong. It's a nashamse only. I think I pronounced it wrong. यदा श्रौषन् धनुरायम्य चित्रम् विद्धल्लक्ष्यं पतितं वै पृथिव्याम् कृष्णाहृतां प्रेक्षतां सर्वराज्ञाम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success. Tada na nashamse vijayaya, to get the victory, O Sanjaya. When I heard that, yada srausham, that, what now that story? Arjuna, having bent the bow, had pierced the mark, and brought it to the ground and had carried away the princess Krishna, that is Draupadi, in the presence of the assembled chiefs and potentates. Yada Shrausham Dwarakayam Subhadram
यदा श्रौषं द्वारकायां सुभद्रां
Prasaikyodham Madhavarmarjunena Prasaikyodham Madhavimarjunena
प्रसह्योढां माधवीमर्जुनेन
Indraprastham Vrishnivirau Chayatau
इन्द्रप्रस्थौ वृष्णिवीरौ च यातौ
Tadanashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं द्वारकायां सुभद्रां प्रसह्योढां माधवीमर्जुनेन इन्द्रप्रस्थं वृष्णिवीरौ च यातौ तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
Good. Yada Shrausham Dwarakayam Subhadram Prasakhyodham Madhavim Arjunena Indraprastham Vrishnivirau Chayatau Tadanashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya. So this phrase that I had no hope of success is the last line. Tada. That time, Nashamse, no hope. Vijayaya, for victory, Sanjaya, O Sanjaya. And this first word, Yada Shrausham, O Sanjaya, when I heard. Yada Shrausham. So this phrase is going to get repeated. Yada Shrausham, when I heard. Tadana Shamse, Vijayaya Sanjaya. So this is going to get repeated till this 200 plus verses. So when he had lost the hope of success, when I heard that Subhadra of Madhuris had been forcibly carried away by Arjuna and had been subsequently married by him in the city of Dwarka. And the two heroes of the Vrishni race, instead of being angry, had come to Indraprastha as friends. Yada Shrausham Devarajam Pravrushtam
यदा श्रौषं देवराजं प्रवृष्टम्
Sharairdivyaiर्varitam Charjunena
शरदिव्यैर्वारितं चार्जुनेन
Agnin Tatha Tarpitam Khandave cha
अग्निं तथा तर्पितं अग्निनं तथा तर्पितं
Agnin Tatha
अग्निं तथा तर्पितं खाण्डवे च
Tarpitam
अग्निं तथा तर्पितं खाण्डवे च
Tadanashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा श्रौषं देवराजं प्रवृष्टं शरैर्दिव्यैर्वारितं चार्जुनेन अग्निं तथा तर्पितं खाण्डवे च तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
Yada Shrausham Devarajam Pravrushtam Sharairdivyaiर्varitam Charjunena Agnin Tatha Tarpitam Khandave cha Tadanashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya. I had no hope of success. O Sanjay, when I heard that Arjun had satisfied Agni by giving him the forest of Pandava, preventing at the same time by his celestial arrows the downpour made by Indra, the king of celestials. Yada Shrausham Jatushad Veshvanastan
यदाश्रौषञ्जादुषाद्वेषमनस्तान्
Veshmanaha is a house. Jatushat-veshmanastan.
यदाश्रौषाद्वेषमनस्तान्
Muktan parthan panchakuntya sametan.
तान् पार्थान् पञ्चकुन्त्या समेतान्
Yuktan chaisham viduram swartha-siddhau.
युक्तं चैषौ विदुरौ स्वार्थसिद्धौ
तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
तदानंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदाश्रौ जञ्जातुषाद्वेषमनस्तान् मुक्तान् पार्थान् पञ्चकुन्त्या समेतान् युक्तं चैषौ विदुरौ स्वार्थसिद्धौ तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
यदाश्रौषं जातुषाद्वेश्मनस्तान् मुक्तान् पार्थान् पञ्चकुन्त्या समेतान् युक्तं चैषां विदुरं स्वार्थसिद्धौ तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya. When I heard that the 5 Pandavas with their mother Kunti had escaped from the house of lag, and that Vidura had helped them in their escape. Yada Shrausham Draupadim Rangamadhye
यदा द्रौपदीं रङ्गमध्ये
Lakshyam Bhitva Nirjitam Arjunena
लक्ष्यं भित्त्वा निर्जितामर्जुनेन
शूरान् पञ्चालान् पाण्डवेयांश्च युक्तान्
शूरान् पञ्चालान् पाण्डवेयांश्च
युक्तान् no ending.
शूरान् पञ्चालान् पाण्डवेयांश्च
Yuktan, are you saying N or M?
N.
N, correct. Panchalan. It's Panchalan. Okay. Tadanashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya.
तदानासे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा श्रौषं द्रौपदीं रङ्गमध्ये लक्ष्यं भित्त्वा निर्जितामर्जुनेन शूरान् पञ्चालान् पाण्डवेयांश्च युक्तान् तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
Yada Shrausham Draupadim Rangamadhye Lakshyam Bhitva Nirjitam Arjunena Shuran Panchalan Pandaveyamscha Yuktan Tadanashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay. Then I heard that Arjuna had obtained the hands of Draupadi by piercing the mark, and the brave Panchalas had joined the Pandavas. Yada Shrausham Magadhanam Varishtham. Can you unmute yourself, Lalita ji?
यदा शौषं मागधानां वरिष्ठम्
Jarasandham Kshatramadhye Jwalantam.
जरासन्धं क्षत्रमध्ये ज्वलन्तम्
Dorbhyam Hatam Bhimasenena Gatva.
दोर्भ्यां हतं भीमसेनेन गत्वा
तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं मगाधानां वरिष्ठम्
Maga no, Mag.
यदा श्रौषं मागधानां वरिष्ठं जरासन्धं क्षत्रमध्ये ज्वलन्तम् तोर्भ्यां हतं भीमसेनेन गत्वा तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
यदा श्रौषं मागधानां वरिष्ठं जरासन्धं क्षत्रमध्ये ज्वलन्तम् दोर्भ्यां हतं भीमसेनेन गत्वा तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya. When I heard that the foremost king of the Magadha dynasty, the shining star of all Kshatriyas, Jarasandha, had been killed by Bhima alone with his bare arms. Yada Shrausham Digjaye Panduputraihi.
यदा श्रोषन् दिग्जये पाण्डुपुत्रैः
वशीकृतान् भूमिपालान् प्रसैक्य
वशीकृतान् भूमिपालान् प्रसह्य
महाक्रतुं राजसूयं कृतं च.
महाकृतौ राजसूयं कृतं च
No, it is Mahakratu and Rajasuya Krita. Kratu is a yajna. Krita means done, past tense of doing. So Mahakratu is a big yajna, big homa. So we cannot interchange Kratu and Kruta.
महाक्रतौ राजसूयं कृतं च
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा शौषन् दिग्जये पाण्डुपुत्रैः वशीकृतान् भूमिपालान् प्रसह्य महाक्रतो राजसूयं कृतं च तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय.
Good. यदा श्रौषन् दिग्जये पाण्डुपुत्रैः वशीकृतान् भूमिपालान् प्रसह्य महाक्रतुं राजसूयं कृतं च तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya. When I heard that the sons of Pandu had conquered all chiefs and potentates in general campaign and had celebrated the victory by the performance of grand sacrifice of Rajasuya. So Rajasuya is a big hope. Yada Shrausham Draupadimashrukanthiim.
यदा शौषन् द्रौपदीमश्रुकण्ठीम्
सभानीतान् दुःखितामेकवस्त्राम्
सभानीतान् दुःखितामेकवस्त्राम्
रजस्वलान्नाथवतीमनाथवत्. The ending, Nathavat. The fourth line, half the will be brought up and Anathavat. So when we get this phrase, vat means like such and such. It's like a simile. It's given a comparison. Anathavat means or like an orphan.
रजस्वलान्नाथवतीमनाथवत्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा शौषन् द्रौपदीमश्रुकण्ठीम् सभानीतान् दुःखितामेकवस्त्राम् रजस्वलान्नाथवतीमनाथवत् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय.
यदा श्रौषन् द्रौपदीमश्रुकण्ठीम् सभानीतान् दुःखितामेकवस्त्राम् रजस्वलान्नाथवतीमनाथवत् तदा नाशंसे Vijayaya Sanjaya. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya. When I heard that weeping and sorrowing, Draupadi, in the season of her impurity, had been dragged into court with but one cloth on and treated as if she had none in this, though she had her protectors. Nathavati, having a protector, generally a husband, Natha. Anatha means without any protector. So generally, Anatha is called as orphan. That means nobody is there to look after or protect you. So the Nathavati, she is Nathavati, but treated like Anathavat. Yada Shrausham Vasasan Tatra Rashim
यदा श्रौषं वाससां तत्र राशिम्
Samakshipatkitavo Mandabuddhihi
समाक्षिपत्कितवो मन्दबुद्धिः
Dushasano Gatavannaiv Chantam
दुःशासनो गतवानैव चान्तम्
Tadanashomse Vijayaya Sanjaya.
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय यदा शौषं वाससां तत्र राशिं समाक्षिपत्कितवो मन्दबुद्धिः दुःशासनो गतवान् नैव चान्तम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्चय
Yada Shrausham Vasasan Tatra Rashim Samakshipatkitavo Mandabuddhihi Dushasano Gatavannaiva Chantam Tadanashomse Vijayaya Sanjaya. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay, when I heard that the wicked wretch Dushasana had been able to drag out only a heap of clothes without finding its end when he had attempted to strip her of her single cloth. Sachinji. $150. Okay, so after 156, again we are finding one missing over here. 155, so 156 we are not seeing over here. Correct?
Correct.
Yada Shrausham Hritarajyam Yudhishthiram.
Yada Shrausham Hitarajyam Yudhishthiram.
We want to go and higher pitch.
Yada Shrausham Hitarajyam Yudhishthiram.
Yada Shrausham Hritarajyam Yudhishthiram.
Yada Shrausham Hitarajyam Yudhishthiram.
Parajitam Saubalena
Parajitam Saubalena
Anvagatam Bhatrubhiraprameyahi.
Anvagatam Bhratrubhiraprameyahi.
Bhatrubhihi aprameyahi. Anvagatam Bhatrubhiraprameyahi. Aprameyahi.
Anvagatam Bhatrubhiraprameyahi.
Tadanashomse Vijayaya Sanjaya.
Tadanashomse Vijayaya Sanjaya. Yada Shrausham Hitarajyam Yudhishthiram Parajitam Saubalena Anvagatam Bhatrubhiraprameyahi. Tadanashomse Vijayaya Sanjaya.
Good. Yada Shrausham Hritarajyam Hritarajyam Yudhishthiram. Did we say one over there? It should be Yatana. Yada Shrausham Hritarajyam Yudhishthiram Parajitam Saubalena Anvagatam Bhatrubhiraprameyahi. Tadanashomse Vijayaya Sanjaya. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay. When I heard that Yudhishthira had been defeated by Saubala at dice and had been deprived of his kingdom as its result, but still he was attended by his powerful brothers. यदा श्रौषं विविधास्तत्र चेष्टा
यदा श्रौषं विविधास्तत्र चेष्टा
धर्मात्मानां प्रस्थितानां वनाय
धर्मात्मानां प्रस्थितानां वनाय
ज्येष्ठप्रीत्या क्लिश्यतां पाण्डवानाम्
ज्येष्ठप्रीत्या क्लिक्ष्यतां पाण्डवानां
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं विविधास्तत्र चेष्टा धर्मात्मानां प्रस्थितानां वनाय ज्येष्ठप्रीत्या क्लिश्यतां पाण्डवानां तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
I think Vividhaha is a plural, so Cheshtaha should also be a plural. So we have to add Visarga over there. Yada Sharausham Vividhas Tatra Cheshtaha. Okay. Yada Shrausham Vividhas Tatra Cheshtaha Dharmatmanam Prasthitanam Vanaya ज्येष्ठप्रीत्या क्लिश्यतां पाण्डवानां तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that the 4 Pandava brothers, weeping in sorrow, had followed the eldest brother and had tried every means to mitigate his discomfort. Every mean or many means tried. Vividhaha cheshtaha. Yada shrausham snatakanam sahasraihi.
यदा श्रौषं स्नातकानां सहस्रैः
Anvagatam dharmarajam vanastham.
अन्वागतं धर्मराजं वनस्थं
भिक्षाभुजां ब्राह्मणानां महात्मनां.
भिक्षाभुजां ब्राह्मणानां
Not bhujam, short. भिक्षाभुजां.
भिक्षाभुजां ब्राह्मणानां महात्मनां
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं स्नातकानां सहस्रैः अन्वागतं धर्मराजं वनस्थं भिक्षाभुजां ब्राह्मणानां महात्मनां तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
Good. यदा श्रौषं स्नातकानां सहस्रैः अन्वागतं धर्मराजं वनस्थं भिक्षाभुजां ब्राह्मणानां महात्मनां तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that Yudhishthira had been followed into wilderness by Snatakas and by holy Brahmanas. Yada Shrausham Arjunan Devadevam.
यदा श्रौषम् अर्जुनं देवदेवम्
Kiratarupam Trambakantosya Yudhye.
किरातरूपं त्र्यम्बकन्तोष्य युद्धे
Avaptavantam Pashupatam Mahastram.
अवाप्तवन्तं पाशुपतं महास्त्रम्
Mahastra, no? Mahastra.
अवाप्तवन्तं पाशुपतं महास्त्रम्.
Mahastram,
Mahastram, is it? Okay.
astra, astra.
Oh, okay.
Astra, shastra, there is a tra.
Avaptavantam pashupatam mahastram.
Correct. Tadanashamse vijayaya sanjaya.
तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदाश्रौषम् अर्जुनन् देवदेवं किरातरूपं त्र्यम्बकन्तोष्य युद्धे अवाप्तवन्तं पाशुपतं महास्त्रम् तदानाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
So, Kirata Rupam, there is this Trembakam. It is not Trayambakam. Trayam is Tra separate, Ya separate. So, here Tra is half and Ya. So, Triya, Trya sound has to come and not Traya, not Traya. Tra is not there. Trya, Triya. And then that Mahastram is there, right? So those who are following the Devanagari, when we write half sa when we write, the sa will have that middle horizontal line. Correct? And then the tra will come. Tra has this greater than sign. So that means in the center, this half sa's half line and this tra. So we should get 3 lines, which is going to look, and that's how we will identify that this is going to be astra. But let us say, if sa, we have to say sra. Like for pa, when we add that ra, we get pra. Or ka, we add ra, we get kra. So for sa, if we add ra, if we have to say sra, then sa's horizontal line and only one line like this, that's going to make sara. Like for pra, how we write, only one line. So sara. For the horizontal line, only one will come. So that time we will know that we have to read it as sara. But when you see a greater than sign, 2 lines when you see, then you have to read it as tra. So very fine pronunciation. Means those who follow Devanagari, this sign is tra and this sign is sra. So middle, if you see 3 lines, I'll put a figure in the WhatsApp group to show what is a sra, like this. Like for pra we write one slant line. So for sa also one slant line will come. That will be sara. So asra is different and astra is different. So 3 lines in the center when we see, we have to bring that tra in. So this much, but I'll put this in the WhatsApp group. So we will not make, because many times this words will come. Like in Vishnu Sahasranam will get, no? The sra. And then stra also will get. So sra and stra are different written. So this problem will come for those who are following Devanagari to identify the difference between when it is ra added and when it is a tra added. Okay. Did we finish that? No. Yadashrausham arjunan devadevam kiratarupan trambakantosya yuddhe avaptavantam pashupatam mahastram tadanashamse vijayaya sanjaya. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya. Then I heard that Arjuna, after pleasing in compact the god of gods, the 3-eyed Shiva, who appeared before him in the guise of a hunter, had obtained the great weapon Pashupat. So Pashupatastra, when Arjuna defeated Lord Shiva, he got it. There was a very great war when Shiva was testing him. Yadashrausham tridivastham dhananjayam.
Yadashrausham trividastham dhananjayam.
Tridiva. Did you say Trivida?
Yadashrausham tridivastham dhananjayam.
Correct. शक्रात् साक्षात् दिव्यमस्त्रं यथावत्
शक्रात् साक्षात् दिव्यमस्त्रं यथावत्
अधीयानं शंसितः सत्यसन्धम्
अधीयानं शंसितः सत्यसन्धम्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषन् त्रिदिवस्थं धनञ्जयम्
महाप्राण
शक्रात् सॉरी
महाप्राण धनञ्जयास्
यदा श्रौषन् त्रिदिवस्थं धनञ्जयम् शक्रात् साक्षात् दिव्यमस्त्रं यथावत् अधीयानं शंसितः सत्यसन्धम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
गुड यदा श्रौषन् त्रिदिवस्थं धनञ्जयम् शक्रात् साक्षात् दिव्यमस्त्रं यथावत् अधीयानं शंसितः सत्यसन्धम् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay, when I heard that the just and famous Arjuna had gone to the land of celestials and had there obtained celestial weapons from Indra, the king of gods. Yada Shrausham Kalakeyastatasthe
यदा श्रौषं कालकेयास्ततस्ते
Paulo Mano Varadanaच्च दृप्ताः
पौलोमानो वरदानाच्च दृप्ताः
देवैरजेया निर्जिताश्चार्जुनेन
देवैरजेया निर्जिताश्चार्जुनेन
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं कालकेयास्ततस्ते पौलोमानो वरदानाच्च दृप्ताः देवैरजेया निर्जिताश्चार्जुनेन तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
Good. यदा श्रौषं कालकेयास्ततस्ते पौलो मानो वरदानाच्च दृप्ताः देवैरजेया निर्जिताश्चार्जुनेन तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay, when I heard that Arjun had then defeated the Kalakeyas, the Paulamas, who were so proud of the boon they had received from Shiva and through which they had been unconquerable even by celestials. Yada Shrausham Asuranam Vadharthe
यदा श्रौषम् असुराणां वधार्थे
Vadha is there or what over there?
धा yeah.
Vadharthe? Vadhar. No, so I don't think so. That should be a print mistake. I'm not able to see. Probably later I'll just take a picture and blow up and see. I see something of it that my eyes are not catching. If anybody has sharper eyes, under Vadha there is something else. Vadharthe I'm reading, but I see something under the dha over there.
It looks like Ra Matra, Vadra, because there is a black spot, blotch like a thing. Vadra.
Not sure, right? Yeah. So we'll read for now Vadharthe
Yeah.
only.
Would be vatha yeah.
Sorry. किरीटिनैयान्तममित्रकर्षणम्
किरीटिनैयान्तममित्रकर्षणम्
कृतार्थे चाप्यागतं शक्रलोकात्
कृतार्थे चाप्यागतं शक्रलोकात्
शक्र
शक्रलोकात्
correct तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषम् असुराणां वधार्थे किरीटिनय्यान्तममित्रकर्षणम् कृतार्थे चाप्यागतं शक्रलोकात् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
यदा श्रौषम् असुराणां वधार्थे किरीटिनय्यान्तममित्रकर्षणम् कृतार्थे चाप्यागतं शक्रलोकात् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay. When I heard that the chastisizer of foes, Arjuna, had gone to the land of Indra to kill the Asuras and had come back successfully. So now Dhritarashtra is visualizing, no, such feats have done by Pandavas. He's mentioning, and he knew at each step that to win from these guys is a tough call. He knew it. Because everything which is supported by the Lord, who can defeat that? So always if we hold on the path of dharma, today we might seem that we are hopeless, we are in a very bad state. But in the long run, the victory is ours only. The victory we cannot go. It might appear with the circumstances we are weakened. We will not always be in a good satsang. There will be dussangas. We'll be having people around us who don't match into our thought or alignment. But we should hold on to dharma against all the odds, because the result is like this. See, Dhritarashtra's all yada shravsham, he's feeling, no? He knew that there's no hope of success over here. He's seeing, he's visualized. That means he already saw it. So we see Dhritarashtra as a cruel person, but no, he is sitting helpless. He's seeing what we are seeing. He's also seeing. He's not vocal about it. He kept himself a weak person. But now he's narrating all that, feeling sad only for him. Yada shrausham vaishravanena sardham.
यदा श्रौषं वैश्रवणेन सार्धम्
Samagatam bhimamanyamscha parthan.
समागतं भीममन्यांश्च पार्थान्
तस्मिन् देशे मानुषाणामगम्ये
तस्मिन् देशे मानुषाणामगम्ये
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं वैश्रवणेन सार्धं समागतं भीममन्यांश्च पार्थान् तस्मिन् देशे मानुषाणामगम्ये तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
यदा श्रौषं वैश्रवणेन सार्धं समागतं भीमन्यांश्च पार्थान् तस्मिन् देशे मानुषाणामगम्ये तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay, when I heard that Bhima and other sons of Kunti had gone to that country which was inaccessible to men and met Vaishravana. Yada, sorry, Radha Krishnan. Yada Shrausham Ghoshayatra Gatana.
यथा श्रौषं घोषयात्रागदानाम्
Bandham Gandharvairmokshanam Charjunena.
बन्धं गन्धर्वैर्मोक्षणं चार्जुनेन
Gandharvair also. One rekha is there on.
बन्धं गन्धर्वैर्मोक्षणं चार्जुनेन
Svesham Sutanam Karna Buddhau Ratana.
स्वेषां सुदानां कर्णबुद्धौ रतानाम्
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं घोषयात्रागतानां बन्धं
यदा
गन्धर्वैर्मोक्ष
श्रौषङ्घोषयात्रागतानाम्
यदा श्रौषं घोषयात्रागतानां बन्धं गन्धर्वैर्मोक्षणं चार्जुनेन स्वेषां सुतानां कर्णबुद्धौ रतानां तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
Good. यदा श्रौषङ्घोषयात्रागतानाम् बन्धं गन्धर्वैर्मोक्षणं चार्जुनेन स्वेषां सुतानां कर्णबुद्धौ रतानां तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjaya, when I heard that my sons were taken prisoners by the Gandharvas on their journey to Ghoshayatra, but were rescued by Arjuna. Yada Shraushai Yaksharupena Dharmam
यदा श्रौषय्यक्षरूपेण धर्मम्
Samagatan Dharmarajena Suta
समागतं धर्मराजेन सूत
Prashnan Kamshchit Vibruvanam Cha Samyak.
प्रश्नान् कांश्चित् प्रभु
So we
Prashnan
should break like this. Prashnan, questions. Kamshchit. Kamshchit. So half the has gone with Kamshchit, means some questions. Vibruvan, to tell. So not to say dvi. So the you hold with Kamshchit and Vibruvana. So then automatically when you say it fast, dvi will automatically come. But in the mind understanding is Kamshchit Vibruvana.
प्रश्नान् कांश्चिद् विभ्रुवाणां च सम्यक्
Vanancha, not na. Tada nashamse vijayaya sanjaya.
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषय्यक्षरूपेण धर्मम्
Yada
समागतम्
shraushayyaksharupena dharmam.
यदा श्रौषय्यक्षरूपेण धर्मम् समागतम्
Correct.
समागतं धर्मराजेन सूत प्रश्नान् कांश्चिद् विभ्रुवाणां च सम्यक् तदा
Vibruvanam,
नाशं
you are saying. It's not Vibruvanam. Vibruvanancha. Akimal. Anancha, not nancha.
प्रश्नान्
Prashnakamshchit vibruvanancha samyak.
प्रश्नान् कांश्चिद् विभ्रुवाणां च सम्यक् तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
Good. Yada shraushayyaksharupena dharmam samagatan dharmarajena suta prashnan kamshchit vibruvanancha samyak tada nashamse vijayaya sanjaya. I had no hopes of success of Sanjaya when I heard that Dharma had come in the guise of Yaksha and asked some questions of Yudhishthira, who answered them well. Yada Shraushanna vidurmamakastan.
यदा श्रौषन्न विदुर्मामकास्तान्
Yada Shraushanna vidurmamakastan.
यदा श्रौषन्न विदुर्मामकास्तान्
Correct. प्रच्छन्न रूपान् वसतः पाण्डवेयान्
प्रच्छन्नरूपान्वसतः पाण्डवेयान्
रूपान् न वसत is not there, no is half. रूपान् वसत.
प्रच्छन्नरूपान्वसतः पाण्डवेयान्
विराट राष्ट्रे सह कृष्णया च
विराटराष्ट्रे सह कृष्णया च
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषन्न विदुर्मामकास्तान् प्रच्छन्नरूपान्वसतः पाण्डवेयान् विराटराष्ट्रे सह कृष्णाय च तदा
सह कृष्णाय न कृष्णया
विराटराष्ट्रे सह कृष्णया च तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
So the difference between Krishnaya and Krishnaya is big. Krishna is a Pullinga Shabda. So Krishnaya will be the fourth case, which means to Krishna. So it's a Pullinga, means to a man it is said. To Krishna. And Krishnaya, in that Strilinga Krishna. So Krishna and Krishna, both are different. Anagha we will hear so many times for Arjuna, Anagha, pure one. But that's a male name. Anagha, when you do, that's a female name. So Krishna, it's a male name. Krishna, it's a female name. Krishna is the name for Draupadi. So Krishnaya is the third case. That means with Draupadi. So one is the male conjugant, which is the fourth case, which means to Krishna. And this is third conjugation, which means it is by Krishna or with Krishna. Instrumental case. Okay. So Krishnaya and Krishnaya, both are different words, different gender, different cases, different meaning. Okay. There we are. Yada Shrausanna Vidurmamakaastan Prachanna Rupan Vasatah Pandaveyan Virata Rashtre Saha Krishnaya Cha Tada Nashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay. When I heard that my sons had failed to discover the Pandavas when they lived in disguise with Draupadi in the kingdom of Virata. Yada Shrausham Mamaka. See, when they failed to disguise with Draupadi, Krishnaya Saha, with the instrumental piece. Yada Shrausham Mamakanam Varishtan. No ending. The one half, that no is which you see in the second line starting, has gone up.
यदा श्रौषं मामकानां वरिष्ठान्
Correct. Dhananjayenaikarthena bhagnan.
धनञ्जयेनैकरथेन भग्नान्
Correct. Virata Rashtre Vasata Mahatmana.
विराटराष्ट्रे वसदा महात्मना
Tada Nashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya.
तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय यदा श्रौषं मामकानां वरिष्ठान् धनञ्जयेनैकरथेन भग्नान्
Yada Shrausham Mamakanam Varishtan.
यदा श्रौषं मामकानां वरिष्ठान् धनञ्जयेनैकरथे
धनञ्जयेनैक
धनञ्जयेनैकरथे
धनञ्जयेनैकरथेन भग्नान्
धनञ्जयेनैकरथेन भग्नान् विराटराष्ट्रे वसदा महात्मना तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय.
Thank you, Radhakrishnan ji. I'm sorry, I'm cutting you short because Darshan has raised his hand only now when the time is up to finish the class. And I want to not disappoint him. So I'm taking your few verses for him and extend the class a little bit. So sorry. Thank you, Radhakrishnan. यदा श्रौषं मामकानां वरिष्ठान् धनञ्जयेनैकरथेन भग्नान् विराटराष्ट्रे वसता महात्मना तदा नाशंसे विजयाय सञ्जय. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay. When I heard that all the chief warriors of my side had been defeated by Arjuna on a single chariot while he was in the kingdom of Virat. Yes, my dear darling, what happened? You woke up so late at the end of the class. Okay. Kids should come first. Then only adults get chance. Then I feel sad if kids lose on their chance. Okay, let's start. Yada Shrausham Satkritam Matsya Radnya. Okay, we'll do word by word. Yada Shrausham Satkritam Matsya Radnya Sutan na ending Dattam Uttaram. You should also hear or look at my lips. Both. Uttaram. Arjunaya. Tancharjuna. Pratyagrinhat Sutarte. Tadanashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya. Yada Shrausham Satkritam Matsya Radnya. Sutan Dattam Uttaram Arjunaya. Sutan Dattam. The is there, no? Tatha the no. So no only. Sutan Dattam Uttaram Arjunaya. Tancharjuna Pratyagrinhat Sutarte. Tadanashamse Vijayaya Sanjaya. Read the full verse. Radnya Dattam Uttaram.
दत्ता उत्तरामर्जुनाय तं चार्जुना
It won't come down. Cha varga, you say cha. What say?
cha
Then?
cha nya.
Correct. So nya is there. Ma is not there. So cha is there. So the anuswara has to become tan charjuna.
Charjuna.
Charjuna. Pras visarga.
Tam charjuna pratyagrinha sutarte tada nashamse vijayaya sanjaya.
Good. Yada shrausham satkritam matsya rajnya sutan dattam uttaram arjunaya tancharjuna pratyagrinhat sutarte tadanashamse vijayaya sanjaya. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay, when I heard that king of Matsya, that is Virata, had offered his virtuous daughter Uttara to Arjuna, and Arjuna had accepted her for his son Abhimanyu. We'll do one more, though the time is up, but we'll still do one more for you, dear. Yada Shraushan Nirjitasya dhanasya Navrajitasya Swajanat Prachutasya. Good. Akshauhini sapta Yudhishthirasya Tadanashamse vijayaya sanjaya. Yadashrausam nirjitasya dhanasya. Good. Pravrajitasya savjanat Prachutasya. Pravrajitasya swajanat prachutasya. Akshauhini saptayo Yudhishthirasya tadanashamse vijayaya sanjaya. Very good, very good. Thank you, Darshan. Malini ji, you wanted to chant only for Darshan?
Only for Darshan. I came for.
Okay, fair enough. Slowly you should also. And Darshan join at the beginning of the session. So what will happen? I can spend some more time with you and not just give you 2 verses. You should chant. Sunday, easy day. Should join. 4:30 Singapore time. Join. Okay. Good. So happy to have you. Yes, my day. Yada shrausham nirjitasya dhanasya pravrajitasya swajanat prachutasya akshauhini sapta yudhishthirasya tadanashamse vijayaya sanjaya. I had no hope of success, O Sanjay, when I heard that Yudhishthira, who was defeated and dies and deprived of his wealth, who was exiled and separated from his relatives and friends, had collected an army of 7 Akshauhinis. So we stop at this verse. Homework. How much is 1 Akshauhini? One must find out. Because the number is like a mind-blowing number. Just to give a hint, the chariots, 21,000. There are so many elephants. There are so many foot soldiers. In 1 Akshauhini, that's a team of 1 troop, we say, no, 1 team, 1 troop, 1 battalion. So in that Akshauhini is that kind of a number. Find out how much is 1 Akshauhini, and then imagine those who have lost everything. So now Dhritarashtra is saying that everything they have exiled, they don't have relatives, they don't have a penny, they're nothing, and now they have 7 Akshauhini Sainya. To imagine that, one must figure out how much is 1 Akshauhini. 1 lakh foot soldiers plus and all. It's a mind-blowing number. Such 7 Akshauhinis, and Kauravas had 11 Akshauhinis. So then you multiply that number, come next week to tell 1 Akshauhini is how much, 7 will be how much, and Kauravas had 11 Akshauhinis. So 11 Akshauhinis is how much, and these 18 Akshauhinis have been arranged on a war field. So what huge size would be there? So total, how many people are over there? Just imagine this number and come next Sunday. We'll talk and we'll take from there. Probably, yes, I'll be in Ayodhya, and I hope my lunch break, I will be able to take class. We'll put the Sankalpa, and on Ramji's grace, we will have the class without a break. And then the following Sunday, I should be back in Kerala. So today I'm in Mumbai. So different places. Last class was in Kolwan, then Pune, and now here. Next is Ayodhya. So hopefully then it settles. I'm not sure. Whatever Lord wills. But let our Mahabharata thing go. 272 verses just for the first chapter. Hold on. Because the next chapter there is 394, almost 400 verses. So we have to anyways embark the journey. So we'll have to one by one, take it, digest it, read what we have done, and hold that this chapter is of great significance. At the end of the chapter, we'll figure out. So 170 we have finished. Another 102 verses to go for the chapter to finish. It's a big punya. It washes out all the sins, even to utter one line of this chapter. So particularly this chapter. So have all that faith, and when we sit with that knowledge, the learning becomes joyful. Any doubts in today's verses that we have covered? So today we have not done much. We have done only some 23, 24 verses technically from 146 to 170. But in between the verse numbers were different. But we'll still believe we have done 24 verses. Unlike last week, we have done 40 plus verses. The verses were smaller, Anushtup Chanda. Now the verses are a little bigger. And then the pronunciation gets tougher. Any doubts, please ask. All clear?
We find it very difficult to read these tiny verses. Like Gita, is there any big print which we can get? And
this I'm not sure. What you can do is, I've given that PDF is like photograph of this. So you take on that and you enlarge and see. Like now I had that Vadharthe. I know the word is Vadharthe, but I'm seeing something on that dha. So then I'm just going to take the picture and blow it up. So, and then you can take printout of that otherwise if you want. But how many printouts? Because we have to go a long way, 100,000 verses. So it's good to take, where you're not understanding, take a picture and then enlarge it on your cam and see. Because nobody is going to make a big print of that, because there will be how many volumes? With this itself is 9 volumes. Some are having 12 volumes. But let me find out if without meaning, Like how we have those Pothi Vachan and all of Durga Saptashati, you know, the big, if something like that is there, then let me find out.
His teacher has given me 1.5 year target to make him read fluently so that he can.
He's my son, he's not yours. He will do it. Don't worry.
So
So far, he has come doing so much. It's been how many years I'm seeing him? Where he was, what he was doing. Now look at him. He is doing amazing. He is reading. He will do it. We'll have to just be little patient with him. Isn't it, Darshan?
Yes.
Yes, I know. How old were you when I saw you?
3.
no, 4.5.
4.5. So Darshan is with
Less
me
than 5.
4.5 years, where there was no knowledge of Sanskrit. He never used to do any. Then he learned. Then he started to memorize. Then he started to participate in competition. Then he started winning competitions. Then he's not missing his first prize in competition. He's doing so much. He is doing Mridanga on his side prize. So he is doing very good. Don't worry, Malini. He is doing. Darshan, just be regular and come early. 5 minutes early, log in. Okay.
I'll try my best.
No trying coming. We joined by 4:40.
Not join right. 4:20 is the time. Put an alarm. So let's end the session. We'll catch up from Ayodhya next week. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining. See you all next week from Ayodhya.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Namaste, ji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Ji.
Thank you. Thank you. Namaste, ji.
Namaste,
Hari Om
ji.
Prashanti.
Hari Om, my dear child. Bless you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Shakti.
Thank you, Ji. Hari Om.